like the past me's na parang, hala, sobrang mo namang harsh sa sarili mo na feeling mo hindi ka maganda kapag tan ka. And it turns out, wala ka lang palang lotion.
Remember to moisturize your elbows because you never know who's gonna hold it.
Baka si Heart.
Baka si Heart. Hinawakan niya yung ashy elbows ko.
I really took inspiration from what you said na I like the natural colors of my eye. Na parang hindi ko rin siya nilayo doon masyado.
Okay,
Parang,
yeah, I see.
Yun. If you set it with a pigmented powder, hindi mo na malalaman kung saan siya mapupunta kasi didikit-dikit na siya everywhere. Cakey na siya. Wala ka ng choice. You can only make it cakier from there. Like, pag binatukan mo kasi siya ng concealer and powder, okay. Ganda. Ganda mo, Miss Belle.
Uy, thank you.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Miss Nate's Help Desk, and today we are with a very special guest. Hello, Miss Belle. How are you doing?
Hello, Miss Nate. Okay naman.
Thank you so much for being here, and ayun, thank you. Guys, na-traffic si Miss Belle, kaya medyo nahihiya ako sa kanya.
Uy, ako'y
Sorry.
nahihiya.
Hindi. But anyway, nag-close friends kasi ako na parang, baka may mga makeup problems kayo, tapos nag-reply si Miss Belle. Miss Belle, can you tell our audience kung ano yung main concern mo for today?
Okay, so my main concern is I can never make my eyeshadow not patchy. Like I described to you, it's always the outer part. Now when I apply it, ang ganda na sana. Tapos parang may part na hindi ko makapit yung eyeshadow.
Like, banda dito?
Yeah, like
as
outer
in
part.
Here?
Always the outer part.
Okay.
And then like, do I have a scar there? Or like, wala namang hair?
This happens both eyes.
Both, but very often this eye. I don't know why. Pero minsan dito, pag dinatry ko mag-cut crease.
Gets.
So yeah, wala akong masyadong success with bonggang eyeshadow looks. Unless it's somebody else doing it on me.
Gets. Pag minikapan ka ng iba, nangyayari pa rin siya? Or like, nauuna siyang nangyayari?
Hindi. So it's a skill issue.
Oh, hindi. Actually, when we talked, no, parang tinanong kita if, do you prep your eyelid kasama nung buong face? Of course, I'm sure nagsiskin prep ka, Miss Belle, di ba? And then, inask ko din if nagpa-foundation ka. And you said no to both.
To both.
Na-surprise ako kasi, ha? Bakit hindi? Ganon. Oo.
Hindi ko alam.
Oo. What was the reason kung bakit siniskip mo siya? Or like, hindi lang siya pumasok sa isip mo?
Parang over time, na-appreciate yung natural parang eyeshadow ko. Di ba pag morena,
Yeah.
may onting pigment. So I kinda use it as a base already.
Yes.
And number two, feeling ko kasi nagki-crease yung eyes ko. But then again, baka ang dami ko nilalagay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah, I just stopped using anything
Okay.
to prime.
Okay.
Before, nung Placado era, I would use the, alam mo yung parang white siya.
Paint pot ba yan?
Oo, parang gano'n.
Painterly, yung mga ganon.
Oo.
Yun ba yung mga kulay na yun?
Oo.
Gets. Like, everybody would use that as eyeshadow base before. Just a quick explanation. Yung rationale behind that, for me, like, kaya ina-encourage ko si Miss Belle, even if you leave your skin alone, like, wala kang ilagay, it will secrete oils. Given na yun, like, kahit anong gawin mo, kahit wala kang ilagay, may ilagay ka, it will secrete oils anyway. Ang nangyayari, kaya siya nagkakaroon ng disconnect from your face to your eye is because the rest of your face, may product siya, di ba? And minsan yung mga products, especially like base products, they have a little bit of parang protective properties na parang minsan mattifying siya or like parang may layer na hindi magsisip through yung mga oils na nesecrete ng face natin. So if wala siya dun sa part ng eye mo na to, yung oil, pag na-produce siya, pwede siyang pumunta sa part na may foundation and parang kakainin niya yung foundation. So ngayon, patchy na siya. Ganon.
Kaya parang this is where it starts.
Yes.
That's where I don't. That's the border basically.
Yes. So yun yung parang magsisecrete siya ng oil and then kakainin niya yung foundation. Ganon. Especially with parang eyeliners. Minsan parang nagka-crumble yung eyeliner. Like, have you experienced that? It's because yung oil talagang kinakain niya talaga. Like, yun yung term ng mga makeup artists. Sorry.
Parang pag-blush.
Kinakain siya ng skin mo kasi nagpo-produce siya ng oil, ganon. Quick way to make that work is, syempre, pwede tayo mag-moisturizer, but also a very light layer of foundation or kung ano man yung gagamitin mo na base makeup, whatever's left on your brush, para lang maging kasama
Seamless,
sila.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna do it on you today.
Okay.
We're gonna do a little moisturizer. Dami nating chika, I love
Correct.
it. So we have the moisturizing soft cream for Miss Belle today. Soft cream lang kasi the original creme is a little too heavy.
Okay.
Saka hindi ko kasi alam kung anong moisturizer gagamitin ko sa'yo. So sabi ko, La Mer should work. La Mer should work.
Knowing me.
Yeah. So we're gonna put onti lang, like not super dami. Parang tipong gusto ko lang malagyan siya ng moisturizer. And I'm just using a brush kasi hindi naman talaga super duper need ni Miss Belle ng moisturizer here. But it's always good to have a hydrated base no matter what you're putting on or kahit wala. Syempre hydration is always good. So if you wanna be extra, syempre pwede ka rin mag-primer. But I recommend using a primer na very liquidy. Have you tried
Okay,
this?
what's it?
The Maybelline Fit Me Matte Passport. Sorry sobrang dumi na siya. Pero
Wala.
try mo. This is the kind of primer that I love. Like, it will provide grip, pero wala masyadong...
Okay.
Hindi siya
Get.
silicone.
Hindi
Gets?
siya
Like,
silicone.
gripping primer siya, but not super sticky, ganon.
Yeah.
So yun, lalagay din tayo ng primer
Ba you
all
need
over.
Is it like a regular thing?
Meron siya dati sa mga e-commerce.
Okay.
Tapos, hindi ko na sure ngayon kung meron pa. Kasi, I'm not sure though if like the Filipino market like
I know what you mean. It's so good.
appreciates that. Kasi, syempre yung uso yung mga parang silicone na.
Silicone.
Kasi one step yun eh, yung mga silicone, di ba? Parang pag nilagay mo siya,
Smoothing.
yun na yun. Matte ka, smooth ka, di ba?
Lakad.
And then, we have your fave. Your fave!
My fave.
Di ba? Ginger ka ba, biscuit? Biscuit ka, di ba?
Biscuit.
Yeah, I brought biscuit. I
Okay.
remember.
Ikaw, ano ka?
Biscuit dati,
Biscuit.
pre-tan.
Pre-tan.
Grabe yung tinan ko na sa Sikihor. Yun nga lang, Miss Belle, yung onting natural colors ng eyes mo, ma-diffuse siya ng onte because we put this.
Yeah, that's fine.
So there we have it. We have the Active Skin Stick. This is in the shade Epsom. Yeah, Epsom. So this one, malapit na to sa like yung hinahanap ni Miss Belle na natural coloring of her eye. So we're just gonna bring back a little bit of that color. Yun din pala, Miss Belle, if you find that, you know, tinatamad kang mag-primer and all that, you can do whatever's left of on your brush or sponge and then creams na lang.
Okay.
Kasi mas hindi nagpapatch yung creams. Like, you know the Laura Mercier caviar sticks?
Yes.
You use that. Nagpapatch din sa'yo yun?
Ginagamit ko siya parang as an eyeliner, smudgy type.
So hindi siya nakakarating dun sa edge.
I'll try.
Yeah, with maybe the lighter colors.
The lighter
Kasi pag dark, baka ayun. Ayun na siya. And then do you powder pa your lids?
I don't.
Ayun. I think makaka-help din yun kasi number one, it provides a really nice smooth base for whatever eyeshadow look you're doing.
Okay, sige. Noted.
If it's like something for everyday, something for a glam look, okay na tayo sa translucent powder, ganyan. Pak! Okay, wala pa naman masyado nangyayari. And then, a little bit of powder. And then, yung powder natin, this is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Onting ano lang siya, like, just to make it less tacky. Kasi di ba parang if you set it with a pigmented powder, hindi mo na malalaman kung saan siya mapupunta kasi didikit-dikit na siya everywhere because it's tacky. So itong powder, it sets and it makes the eyeshadow less tacky. And just focusing here a little bit on this part. Gagawin na natin yung eyeshadow niya. Konti lang. Guys, sorry, hindi na daw sila mag-restock ng Vice X Cherry.
No, forever.
Sabi. But like, I really love this
Me too,
palette.
me
Like,
too.
ang ganda talaga niya. So, Miss Belle, actually, yung tanong ko sa'yo, anong tips mo for somebody who just parang came into loving their... Kasi, dati talaga Gluta Warrior ako. As in, Koji-san, tapos Gluta Drip, ganyan. Kasi feel ko, hindi bagay sa akin ng tan. But then, kailangan lang pala is mag-lotion. Sobrang simple lang pala.
True.
Sobrang simple lang pala ng solusyon. Kailangan ko lang pala mag-lotion.
I
Ganon.
didn't even know you could tan this deep.
Sobra, no? I mean,
Ang
sakto
ganda.
siya. Pero yun nga rin eh, like sabi ng mga tao sa AC, wow, you're so tan. Tapos ako parang, ang ganda raw, sensual. Tapos sabi ko, hindi ko pa siya ma-feel masyado, but I appreciate it pag nakikita ko siya ng moisturized.
Oh, yeah.
Pero pag hindi siya moisturized, medyo nakakatawa siya tignan.
I know what you mean. Like, lalo na pag galing kang beach.
Medyo nakakatawa siya tignan. Parang, I think that was too much. Parang, I think that was too much sun. Ganon.
Ako, ganun yung feeling ko pagkakaahon ko lang galing surfing.
Oo.
Parang ashy.
Yeah, di ba? Medyo ganun yung color niya at first eh.
Oo. Tapos pag nag-exfoliate ka na, lalabas na siya.
You exfoliate. Morena tip.
Yes, so-
Natatakot ako mag-exfoliate after sun exposure.
Okay. No, so what I do is before the beach, I exfoliate. But not chemical. Like, ano lang like Sa body, physical, as in hilod. Tapos sa face, not any strong chemicals. As in, my regular skincare. But, when I go there, I skip anything with actives on my face. And then, on the body, yung panghilod lang na, alam mo yung sa Watsons, na glove, I always bring it with me. So, every day, from the beach you scrub. Tapos parang I feel like yung residue ng sunscreen mo din, it kind of makes you patchy. So, para the next day, fresh na ulit. Tapos pag uwi mo, yun din, exfoliate your body.
Parang yung mga sunscreen na waterproof, parang may bluish tint ka. So parang hindi siya bagay kasi warm na yung balat mo, tapos nilagay mo ng blue. So parang...
May ashiness.
Do you have any lotion, Recos?
Oh my gosh, I do. Mga non-whitening. So, number 1, as in my favorite drugstore buy, the Big St. Ives lotion. The blue one. Super, siya, it's rich but it's not sticky. And then yung Rare Beauty na body lotion. Sobrang ganda niya.
Mahal naman.
Ang mahal, ang
Sorry.
mahal.
How much is it? Where do you get it?
Sa Sephora, oh my God, nakalimutan ko ng magkano. Maganda rin yung Fenty eh. Pero I don't have it myself. My nail girl has it. And every time I'm there, pa-lotion na.
Pa-lotion
Pa-lotion
naman.
naman ako.
Ayan, ang ganda. Ang haba. I love it.
Tsaka parang may mata na ako.
I'm gonna do a little shimmer on you. Where do you usually put your shimmer sa eyeshadow?
Sa middle ng eyelid.
Gets. Sobra kasing boom na boom yung nito eh. Yung shimmer nito. So we're doing a little bit of Aegyo-Salt. Sorry, di ko mapalagpas yung opportunity na i-Aegyo-Salt.
Go lang. I don't know how to. Like, feeling ko wala siya sa skill set ko.
Uy! This is my secret to Aegyo-Salt. This is the Dior So 5 Couleur. 5 Couleur eyeshadow palette in Rose Tool. So, di ba, I got my makeup done by a Korean celeb makeup artist. Sabi niya, this is the secret to Aegyo-Salt. Like, this shade. Kasi nakita ko yung ganyan niya. Parang tatlo na yung ganito niya na, like, ubos. Tapos yung gitna lang.
Gitna lang.
Oo. Smile. May iba lang natin yung look mo.
Sige,
May Aegyo-Salt
game
ka
ako.
lang. Ayan! Sobrang fantasy. Ang laki ng mata. Konti lang siya, pero dadagdagan pa natin ang shadow sa ilalim. So, para ma-complete natin siya, magmamascara rin tayo. Okay, so we're gonna do your mascara.
So, alam mo naman yung aking, yung hack ko, quote-unquote.
Yes! Oh my God!
Ginagawa kong palette yung tissue. Ginagawa mo pa ba yung pag nag-apply ng mascara, yung ginagawa?
Usually, when I used to have clients na yung may alam naman sa makeup, like say beauty queens or Miss Belle, marunong naman mag-mascara. Para ako, binibigay ko na sa kanila kasi personally din pag mini-makeupan ako, kaya ko na. Like, kaya na siya. Kasi mas awkward yung, unless parang talagang i-cluster lashes, gano'n, di ba? Yeah. Kaya bibigay ko na sa'yo yan, instead na mag-spoolie-spoolie pa tayo. Ikaw ba, nagpo-falsies ka pa rin?
Oo, cluster. Ganda, kapal.
Parang
mascara
actually,
lang.
ka-length niya yung lashes mo. Kaya natawa ko parang hindi na dagdagan.
Para lang siyang extension sa hair.
Di ba?
Kumapal lang.
Kumapal lang. Gusto ko lang tong gawing parang wing na baby. Tapos brown lang din gagamitin natin because hindi na para taray-taray.
Yeah. The other day, Miss Nate, nag-try ako gumawa ng 2016 makeup look. Hindi na ako marunong maglalagay ng ganong eyeliner. Oh my God.
Ano nga ba yung eyeliner?
Yung
As in,
parang winged liner.
Like,
Ariana Grande, My Everything era. Yung talagang pataas yung angle.
So what happened?
Ang tagal ko nag-eyeliner. As in, bura, lagay. Pero na-achieve naman, I think. But then, nung kinompare ko siya sa reference picture, which is makeup ko nung time na yon. Oh my God, ang kapal ng eyeliner ko noon.
Ano bang mga usong eyeliner nun?
Yung pot eyeliner.
Black Track.
Oo.
By MAC.
Or yung parang dip eyeliner. Ako though, yung favorite ko is, I forgot what it is. Pero the first time I learned how to use eyeliner, yung lola ko kasi super kikay siya. So, cake eyeliner. Yung parang powder siya, tapos ibabasain mo yung brush mo. Tapos parang watercolor.
Gets.
Ang ganda niya. Kasi flat siya.
Sobrang, parang kasi pag nag-dry yun,
Oo.
kapit talaga siya.
Kapit siya.
Ayan! Okay. Very nice. Okay guys, so ito na yung look ni Miss Belle. Very dainty lang siya today.
Sana may lakad ako, pero wala eh.
Wala ba?
Na-inspire ako mag-eyeshadow.
Diba? Alam mo na yung technique ka.
Alam ko na.
Pak! Hindi ko rin alam bakit siya nag-work, pero nag-work siya eh.
Kasi ako ang ginagawa ko is ganun.
Yun nga, di ba parang dati?
Ganun
Dati
siya.
it's like a windshield wiper
Oo.
motion. Ganyan dati, di ba? So, yan na siya guys. We just did a little eye makeup tutorial for you guys after the... Kasi yung patchy eyeshadow naman na concern ni Miss Belle, pwede naman siyang masolve ng skin prep talaga, di ba? Pero yung parang eye look, para rin meron kayong samples, di ba? Yan. What can you say about this eye look, Miss Belle? How do you feel about
I love it. It's low-key bridal.
Yeah.
Ganda. Very natural lang.
Ako, like,
Sculpted.
gusto ko lang na parang I really took inspiration from what you said na I like the natural colors of my eye. Na parang hindi ko rin siya nilayo doon masyado.
Okay,
Parang,
yeah, I see it.
Yun, di ba?
Oo.
Parang may onti lang siyang tinge ng blush and orange. But like, yung base niya is like your natural eye color. Ayun.
Ganda. At saka parang sculpted yung itsura niya.
Yeah. Okay, as for your second concern,
My concern is, sometimes I do my makeup in a rush and then you get to the car and hindi mo napansin na pawisan mo na yung base mo. Tapos ako, pawisin yung upper lip ko.
yeah.
So minsan pag pinupunasan mo siya, butas na siya. And it's like, I don't know if I have the tools or the skill to fix it. Because in my bag, usually there's like concealer and powder, which should be enough. Pero parang obvious pa rin siya.
Actually, kung concealer and powder lang, you have no choice. Di ba, nag-cakey na siya. Wala ka ng choice. You can only make it cakier from there. Like, pag pinatukan mo kasi siya ng concealer and powder, okay, medyo papantay siya. Like, mawawala yung butas, pero you can clearly see where you retouched it,
Yun
di ba? In a professional setting, before, like, common din naman yun sa mga brides before, like, pageant queens, di ba? Pag nangyayari yun, binabasa ko siya ulit. Like, I rehydrate it. Siyempre, remove muna the oil, parang yung sinicrete na ng skin mo with a blotting sheet or whatever you can absorb. Actually, okay lang din tissue.
Tissue.
Yeah, basta lang ma-absorb niya. Tapos, i-rehydrate ko siya with a spray, but the spray has to have some sort of oil in it. Like, yun yung, for me, na non-negotiable kapag gusto mo talaga siyang i-retouch ng full. Kasi minsan, pwede mo namang i-powder foundation, di ba? Like, cakey na siya, pero wala nang choice, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, yun na yun. Pero if you want na balik sa dati, like, for me, you need to have a spray that has a little bit of oil in it.
Like a pie face situation.
Yes. But the one I like is from Kose. Make It Mist, di ba? Kasi very oily siya. As in, parang it stays hydrated. Hindi siya natutuyo fully. And I think a local version of that would be the Skin So Good Setting Spray by Sunny's. Na parang, mas oily to, for sure. Pero ito, parang pwede na.
Okay.
So, isample lang natin. Hindi pa naman ng cake, pero
Sige,
sample
sige.
lang natin.
Eto, pwede. Yung dito ko, medyo nag-cake na yung under.
Pwede. Sige. Although, yung eyes mo, wala naman siya masyadong oil right now. Pero, kunyari lang. Kunyari oily siya, guys.
Kunyari
Just remove the excess oil. Usually kasi sa mga, like, kunyari nagpawis ka, di ba? It's usually here, upper lip, tapos dito sa side ng nose here. And then, we're gonna rehydrate it with the Kose Make It Mist X spray. I know this is a setting spray, pero yun nga yung point niya. Parang, I wanted to melt all of it back in together. Tapos parang saka pa lang ako pwedeng magdagdag ng additional product when it's flat.
Yes.
Kasi parang pag nag-separate na silang ganyan, there's the foundation and then there's the powder. Hindi alam ng foundation kung saan siya kakapit.
Gets,
So
gets.
parang now that it's flat, medyo wet, hydrated, everything will slide better. Do you like this?
Bango.
Ah,
I
you've-
haven't tried
you've never
it.
tried it. It's nice. So yun, kasi parang pag medyo hydrated siya and with a little bit of that oil, remember most of our base products, they're actually oil-based or like a synthetic version of something that's trying to be oil, ganun. So parang mas didikit siya. Tapos important din na when you reapply, tap-tap lang kasi OA na kapag nag-swipe-swipe ka pa dyan.
Yes.
Tapping a little bit.
So gentle. I love it.
Yes. Para lang siyang actually you wet your face and then you blend it again. Pero this time, you have a little product on your brush. Para kasama na siya dun sa pag-refresh nung pigmentation, if may nabura, di ba? Then we're gonna go in with a little bit of powder. And onti lang din. Kasi remember, may powder na siya underneath. So parang second layer na to. Kamusta?
Love it. Yeah.
Fantasy. If you want hardcore, pwede mo pa siyang i-powder foundation. Pero that's like for performer levels.
Okay.
Or like kasal mo, reception mo. Kailangan plakado, di ba? So okay na medyo cakey. Basta pag sa picture, bugs, naka-powder foundation na gano'n, di ba? Yarn. Fantasy.
Ang ganda ng bright under eyes.
Blur ka na ulit.
I love...
Ganda! Ganda mo, Miss Belle.
Uy, thank you!
Ay, gusto ko lang balikan yung last natin about the lotion, di ba?
Oh, more
If you have any tips, I mean for people na ngayon lang nila na-realize na, ay, ang ganda pala. Pero kasi ako, like, at the ripe age of 20. Right!
Right.
At the ripe age of 28.
Hinog.
Parang, ang tagal ko nang may notion na, hindi naman sa hindi ko na-appreciate yung morenas, but like, I did not like it for me. Kasi, ang ashy ko tignan, mas maganda pala, or like, sobrang ganda pala tignan kapag nag-tan ka, tapos naka-lotion ka, na-hydrated.
Oo,
Yun yung
parang-
na-realize ko.
Parang silky.
Iba siya. Iba yung parang the pigmentation. It's like, you cannot find it anywhere else in nature. Di ba? Parang, ako lang yung may brown na ganito. Ganon, di ba? Ganon yung feeling niya.
Wait, so gusto mo ba beauty lang or any?
I think kasali na yung mindset. Kasi
Okay.
I'm grappling with the, na parang, minsan, may feeling of guilt. Like, sobrang internal na pala. May feeling of guilt from like the past me's na parang,
Okay.
hala, sobrang mo namang harsh sa sarili mo na feeling mo hindi ka maganda kapag tan ka.
Oo.
And it turns out, wala ka lang palang lotion. Gets mo yun? Parang,
Yun lang pala.
yung parang, yun lang pala. Like, you were so critical of yourself, of your skin color, na parang, minsan you'd rather not enjoy the beach activities or like whatever outdoor activities. Tapos, yun lang pala, lotion lang pala yung
Lotion lang
kailangan.
palang
Yun,
katapat.
parang, yun.
Jergens, sponsor.
Guys, charis, maybe come on, charis.
I think it's a time to explore your styling options also. Hindi ko alam if hard believer ka ng color analysis, whatever. But me kasi, as somebody who's like explored my own style, don't let it run your life. And now na feeling mo, oh, I can tan, I can explore different depth. Try mo yung mga things na feeling mo dati pangit ka. Or challenge mo din yung notion na kunyari, I like doing that with makeup na hindi bagay sa morena yung pink. Pakita ko sa inyo, bagay.
Prove them prove it otherwise.
Prove it wrong.
Yeah,
Like, hindi bagay sa morena yung pink blush. Let me show you.
she's wearing pink blush right
Pink
now.
blush.
Yeah.
So yeah, parang it's a time to explore.
Gets.
So, yung mga damit na feeling mo hindi bagay sa'yo, try.
Mm.
Explore also the jewelry that you wear. I mean,
see.
it's always like, pwede mo siyang tanggalin anyway. Hindi mo siya bet.
Okay lang sa'yo magbigay ng product recos.
Oo, yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
we were talking about lotion kanina, di ba?
Okay.
You mentioned the L'Occitane.
Yes!
Other price point.
Sige.
Kasi
Other price
we know
point.
it's good. The
But
price
it's
is also,
pricey.
it's very pricey.
The St. Ives lotion sa Watsons lang. As in yung blue, rejuvenating ata yung variant niya. Ang ganda niya. As in parang it's so rich and moisturizing. I think it's the same brand as this. Meron silang hand cream. I use it on
Yeah.
my elbows.
Gets. I should do that.
Yes, yun din. As a morena, elbows, knees,
Knees, yeah.
and ankles.
Yeah.
Para hindi mo feel na ashy ka.
Even with those areas, you don't go for anything na whitening, brightening, ganon.
I used to. Like,
Yeah.
parang conscious talaga ako before.
Yeah.
But then parang normal naman siya eh.
Ah,
Normal siya.
I see.
And I wanna normalize it.
Yeah.
Basta
That's
wag lang
wonderful.
siyang dry.
Ay, guys, yun yung
siyang
hook
dry.
nito.
Wag lang
Ganon.
siyang dry.
So, wag lang siyang dry.
Oh my God, meron akong sobrang funny story about
Sige.
it. One day, I was going to an event, late na ako. Tapos, nasa kotse ako, sabi ko, shit, di ako nakapag-moisturize ng elbows. At the same time, I was like, ano mang hahawak nun or whatever.
Oo.
I go to this event.
Okay.
And literally, I was like, my back was turned to the person. Ginanyan ako. And paglingon ko si Miss Hart Evangelista. Hinawakan niya yung ashy elbows ko.
Of all the days.
Of all the
days na hindi ka nag-lotion.
Remember to moisturize your elbows because you never know who's gonna hold it.
Baka si Heart.
Baka siya. Oh, another tip is, well, I guess if you're into body oil, maganda talaga siya sa picture.
Body oil.
But, if hindi mo gusto yung sensation, the gold strobe cream of MAC. Dito,
Yes.
ang ganda.
Noted.
Ayoko kasi ng body oil na may shimmer.
Gets.
Na may
gets.
glitters.
Yung buong spec talaga.
buong specs, hindi ko siya bet. Hindi ko rin bet yung sobrang bango.
Yes.
Eh, di ba parang what's available locally, puro ganun.
Medyo.
So, the strobe cream, medyo mahal lang.
Gets. Okay. Thank you so much for those tips. I feel like ngayon pa lang ako nagka-come into that year na parang ganda, brown, ganon, di ba?
Golden.
Lotion. Yun nga lang talaga, magastos sa lotion.
Yeah.
And even though, like, ngayon ko lang in-embrace yung, di ba, the pigment. Iba-iba rin tayo talaga mag-tan. Yun ang
Yeah,
napansin ko.
that's
Like,
true.
di ba, parang iba. Hindi siya parang iisang kulay na, tan ka ngayon, tan ka, period, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, iba din yung bumabagay na blush, bigla.
True.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Belle, for those tips. Ang dami ko rin natutunan sa'yo. I hope you learned something today.
I did.
I hope
Thank you so
nag-enjoy ka. And I look forward to seeing you with pack eye looks kasi ngayon, kaya na.
Ayun na ako.
Oo, kaya na yan.
Thank you
so much for the tips about being moreno and loving your own skin. Actually, parang nai-inspire talaga ako nun before pa sa'yo na to love my brown skin. Kaya lang, yun yung limiting belief ko at that time na hindi siya bagay sa akin. I mean, I love it for others, but for me personally, hindi ko siya prefer. Lotion lang pala.
Lotion lang.
pala ang
Ang
katapat.
secret.
I think that should be the marketing ploy of lotion company.
Powered by.
Charot. Anyway, thank you so much, Miss Belle, for being on this Help Desk episode. Thank you for being here. And ayun, thank you din to everyone here watching. If you guys have any comments, suggestions about this episode, let us know then what you wanna see next in the next episode. Bye!
Bye!